Oh, five.
So you had a chance to go through those? Let's see. Where's your rule set? Alright, so now we had an opportunity to work through that. Let's work through our third section, which was the dividing of monomials using our quotient rule, okay? When we're dividing monomials using our quotient rule, right? We're dividing monomials, so number 10 through 14, using our quotient rule, and the base is the same, then we keep it the same, similarly to our product rule, and we subtract the exponents, okay? Base is the same, we keep it the same, we subtract the exponents. Now, if our base is different, our constant out front is different, we have a different number out there, like number
24 over 10
12.
equals 24 over 10 equals 2.4.
If we have a difference in our numbers and our base isn't the same, then what we have to do with our constants? Divide, right? Remember, with the quotient rule, this is the one that I recommend breaking into sections. All right. So our base is the same, 7 over 8 over 7 over 3. We take our bottom exponent, keep our base, and subtract our bottom exponent from our top. So 8 minus 3 will give us 5. If our bases aren't the same, let's say we got 18a squared over, let's put this to the 4th. 18a to the 4th over 3a to the 2nd. Remember, I recommended you break it into sections. Your number section, you say you're going to divide that. 18 over 3 is 6. And then, well, our base is the same. Our a's are the same base. We subtract our bottom from our top. 4 minus 2 will give us 2. Okay? Now, on number 14, or the ones like number 14, sometimes our base doesn't always make a pretty number if we divide it out. Okay? Sometimes it gives us a decimal. I'll just put an example up here. So if I break this into my sections, my x's are in a section, my y's are in a section, my numbers are in a section, my constants are in a section. If I try to divide 14 and 6, I get 2 point something. I won't get a pretty number. So that's when I know I can't leave it like I can't leave it as a decimal. I have to simplify this fraction. Okay? I have to think of it as a fraction to simplify this fraction. Now we can do this in our calculators using what function? N over D. So everybody take out your calculators. Put 14 over 6 in your N over D function.
You said 14 over 6?
Yes, ma'am. 7 over 3. Okay? So we got 7 over 3. And I'll write it like this. Leave my 7 at the top, 3 at the bottom. Just in case I have to bring one of my x's or y's to the top and bottom with it. Okay? What would I do with my x base?
Yeah.
Subtract. And I have x to the first. Right? What would I do with my y base, Wayne? Subtract 7 minus
3.
okay, and that'll be y to the 4. So I still got my 7 over 3, x to the first, y to the 4. That make a little more sense as far as mixed numbers on divided monomials. Alright, so let's work a few together before I let y'all work in the show. So number 10, what's our base, Wayne?
Our base is 2.
2. And what's our exponents, Eric, for number 10?
8 and 3.
8 and 3. What number do we got to subtract, Adrian? What number do we have to subtract?
On number
10.
8 and 3.
8 and 3. Which one are we going to be subtracting?
8 and 3.
So out of 8 and 3, is it going to be 8 minus 3? Or is it going to be 3 minus 8? If we're using our rules.
8 minus 3.
8 minus 3? Which one's at the bottom?
Oh, 3 minus 8.
3 minus 8. Okay? And 3 minus 8 will give us
Negative 5.
negative 5. So right now you have 2 to the negative 5th power. Can't we leave it like that, baby? No? What do we have to do? Okay, we have to simplify it. But if we got 2 to the negative 5th power, how do we simplify that? If there's a negative exponent in your way, bring it down. Put 1 over the top of it. 1 over 2 to the 5th, right? Alright. So in your groups, kind of work through number 11, correct number 11 through 14. Let's do 14 together. Okay? Let's do 14 together. I'm gonna come up here on the board. Okay? $14 says 24.
24 and to the negative 2nd power and b to the 8.
B to the 8?
Yeah.
Over?
Over 10a to the 2nd and b to the negative 3rd.
B to the negative 3?
Yeah.
What's the first thing that I recommend you doing? Break it into sections. Alright? This will keep you from getting confused. Okay? Our number section. If we try to divide this, we'll get 2.4. So we know we're not going to divide it. We're going to simplify, right? What will we get if we simplify 24 over 10?
12 over 5.
12 over 5. And can you tell us how you got that number?
I used the N over D.
Use the N over D, okay? Use the N over D, you got 12
Over
5. Okay? So that's our number section. For our A section, what we have to do?
We have to add.
Subtract them, right? Subtract which number from what number? Adrian?
Negative.
Subtract 2 minus 2.
Subtract our bottom from the top. So 2 minus 2 will give us
0.
2, negative 2 minus 2. Because the top is -2.
That'll be -4.
-4. So a to the -4. Y'all want to write it at the top, a to the -4th? And at the bottom, what will it turn to? A to the 4th. What about my B section area?
Okay, so don't you subtract 3 and 8?
Mm-hmm. And what would I get?
You get plus 5.
B to the 5th. Alright. So work through number the ones that you haven't done, that you need corrected. I'll go around comma.
You wrote E to 11.
No.
You wrote E to 11.
Yeah, basically. It's a negative bottom. So it should be plus. I'm sorry, guys. let me correct this real quick. Your paper say b to the -11 on it. I mean b to the -3rd. So we subtract a -3. What we have to do? What do these two negatives make? A positive. So we'll be adding 8 and 3, which will make that 11. Alright.